Hey, so if your TradingView drawing tools are not working, like trend lines won't appear, tools won't move, or they just disappear, that can be really annoying. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check if you actually selected the drawing tool properly. Sometimes the tool isn't active, so nothing happens when you try to draw. Now, check if your drawings are locked. If they're locked, you won't be able to move or edit them. Next, your layout might be glitching, so try resetting your chart layout or switching to a new one. Sometimes drawings are there, but just hidden. Go to the object tree and make sure everything is visible. Browser extensions can also interfere with tools. Try disabling ad blockers or script blockers, then reload the page. Now, cache data can cause tool glitches, so clear your cache or open TradingView in incognito mode. An outdated browser can also break drawing tools, so make sure your browser is updated and reload TradingView. And finally, switch browsers if nothing works. Some browsers handle chart tools more smoothly than others. So yeah, that's how to fix TradingView drawing tools problems. Most issues are just locked objects, browser glitches, or settings. Try these steps and everything should work again. Hey, so